Okay, this video is for 12.7G, surface area of cylinders and cones. So, to figure out the surface area for a cylinder and cone, you just need to know what the formulas are, know what the information they're asking for is, and then just be able to identify that information, plug it in, and then evaluate the formula. So let's talk about the formula for each of the cylinders and the cones. So, let's lock this. So, formula for surface area of a cylinder looks like this. Surface area equals 2 times pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. So, this piece right here, 2 times pi r squared, is giving us, so if you look at example 3, it's giving us the area of the circles on the top and bottom of the cylinder. And then the 2 pi r h is giving us the surface area of the rectangle that wraps around those two circles. And by adding that together, we get the full surface area. So let's apply that to example 3. The only two things that we need to know are the radius of the cylinder and the height of the cylinder. And you can see that the radius is 3 inches and the height is 9. So we know what we need to know, we just need to plug it in the formula and simplify. So 2 times pi times 3 squared, 3 is our radius, plus 2 pi times 3 times 9. 9 is our height. Set that up and throw it into your calculator. So when we plug that in, we get 2 times pi times 3 squared plus 2 times pi times 3 times 9. And it is 226.19 inches squared. And that's how you do it, and that's how you find the surface area of a cylinder. Now let's take a look at the cone. Same idea for a cone. There's a formula, and you need to identify the information that you need, and then you plug it in. So the formula for a cone is similar to a circle, but this time it is surface area equals pi r squared plus 2 pi r l. Now, this piece, pi r squared, is giving us the area of the circle at the bottom of the cone. And then the 2 pi r l gives us the area of the triangle piece of the cone. Now, L refers to the slant height. So in this example here, L would be 6 meters. So the height of the slant of the cone, not the vertical height this time, but the slant height. And then obviously R is radius. So now that we know the formula, we can apply that to this question. So surface area is going to be pi times 2 squared plus 2 pi times 2 times 6. And when you put that in your calculator, you get pi times 2 squared plus 2 times pi times 2 times 6, 87.96 meters squared. And that is the surface area of this cone.